Veganism is on the rise, and with it comes a wave of delicious and innovative recipes. One such recipe that has taken the culinary world by storm is vegan watermelon sushi. This unique dish replaces raw fish with juicy watermelon, creating a refreshing and surprisingly authentic sushi experience. Now I know what you might be thinking, watermelon in sushi sounds crazy, right? But trust me on this one. The sweetness of the watermelon, when paired with the tangy rice and savory fillings, creates a flavor explosion that will have you hooked from the first bite. Watermelon sushi is not just about the taste, though. It's about embracing creativity in the kitchen and challenging culinary norms. It's about exploring new ways to enjoy traditional dishes while staying true to your vegan lifestyle. So whether you are a seasoned vegan or simply looking for an exciting new recipe to try, vegan watermelon sushi is an adventure for your taste buds. It's a dish that proves that vegan food can be just as exciting, flavorful, and satisfying as any other cuisine. Before we embark on our sushi-making journey, let's gather our ingredients. Don't worry, we won't be needing any obscure ingredients or fancy equipment. Just a few simple, fresh ingredients that you can easily find at your local supermarket. First things first, the star of the show, the watermelon. Choose a large, ripe watermelon with a firm texture. You'll also need sushi rice, rice vinegar, sugar, salt, nori seaweed sheets, and your favorite sushi fillings. For fillings, the options are endless. Avocado, cucumber, carrots, bell peppers, and mangoes all work wonderfully in watermelon sushi. You can also add a touch of spice with some pickled ginger or sriracha mayo. Once you've gathered your ingredients, make sure you have a sharp knife, a cutting board, and a sushi rolling mat on hand. These tools will make the sushi making process much smoother and enjoyable. Now that we have all our ingredients prepped and ready, let's move on to the exciting part: creating our very own vegan watermelon sushi. Now comes the fun part: assembling our watermelon sushi. First, cook your sushi rice. While the rice is cooking, prepare your watermelon. Cut the watermelon into long rectangular slabs. Season the cooked rice with rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. Lay a sheet of nori on your sushi rolling mat. Spread a thin layer of sushi rice over the nori. Arrange your watermelon and fillings in a line. Carefully roll the sushi, tucking the fillings in. Slice your sushi rolls into bite-sized pieces. Arrange on a plate and serve with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger. Finding your inner piece, one slice at a time. Making sushi, even with watermelon, is an art form in Japan. It's about mindfulness and balance. Be fully present in the moment. Feel the texture, inhale the aroma, and appreciate the colors. Mindful preparation is a form of meditation. Connect with your food and appreciate creating something delicious. Embrace mindfulness and balance in cooking. A healthy and delicious taste of Japan. Congratulations! You've just created a beautiful and delicious plate of vegan watermelon sushi. This dish is not only a feast for the eyes, but also a healthy and refreshing meal option. Watermelon is a low-calorie fruit that is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's also a great source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant linked to a reduced risk of several chronic diseases. Combined with the nutritional benefits of nori seaweed, sushi rice, and fresh vegetables, watermelon sushi is a guilt-free indulgence that nourishes your body from the inside out. Moreover, this dish offers a unique and modern twist to traditional Japanese cuisine. It's a testament to the versatility of plant-based ingredients and the endless possibilities of vegan cooking. So, go ahead and impress your friends and family with this stunning and flavorful dish. Let them experience the joy of vegan watermelon sushi, a true taste of Japan without the fish. Thank you for watching this video. Leave your feedback, like and subscribe. Cheers!